Hey guys, I just got back indoors and guess what? The weather is very good today. It's sunny, so I'm not going to let this go to waste. I'm just going to drop everything else I plan to do today and head to the garden to get some work done and also to give you guys an update of all the things I've been doing indoors with the garden, the things I've sowed on the propagator. I'm particularly excited about how my okra has grown so well. So just watch out. You're going to really enjoy this gardening update. My name is Mabel, hence this channel is called Ask Auntie Mabel. I'm so excited of the way things have developed in the garden. So I'm going to start by giving you guys an update of the things I sowed directly onto the soil in my last video, how they have grown and how they are doing, and also the things I've also sown on the propagator, especially the one with the heat mat. My okra have grown, my Ewedu and some of those other and Nigerian vegetable have also grown. So yes, I'm just going to take all of you along on this journey so that we just start experimenting together and we are positive that we're going to get good harvest. Let's journey together. So even if it's just one item or two, whatever you choose to plant, if it's even herbs, or just anything, just sow something. If you can't sow anything, then just sow one thing, just help on the pot. And let's get going. Yes, and the neighbor is excited. These are my favorite stuff so far. Remember the purple potatoes? They are doing really well, exceptionally well. You can see they've grown so well. See, that's the purple potatoes. Up close, the onions are doing really well. Then the Italian lettuce, up close, then the Italian lettuce are doing very well as well. So also the rockets are doing very well. You can see they've all grown a couple of leaves. What a glorious day we have today. So it's good to share this beautiful sunshine and glorious sunshine with you guys as well, because we tend to complain of the weather when the weather is not great, but today is a lovely day, so let's share it with you guys as well. Hey guys, as many of you know, this is a year of experimenting in a lot of things. So the next job we're going to do in the garden today is to plant some more seeds in the propagator. This is the one with the heat mat, so I'm going to be trying this to see which work best. And this is another one that doesn't come with heat mat, but I'm just going to open it up so you can see. Yeah, it came with, obviously that's the vent lid, which can be very helpful to control the moist and the heat. However, it came with a plastic dipper. Then it also came with planting tray that is in cardboard, so you can actually just cut this up and transplant it straight in the soil. Then in addition, it came with this pack. It's a pack of seeds. Then it came with this coconut pit. Yeah, according to the instruction, it said we should soak it in warm water for 2 to 3 minutes. This will become a kind of a compost. They said to soak it in the same bag. So I'm going to get warm water and soak it in the bag. I hope this is about 300 ml of warm water. So let's pour it in there and see what happens. Wow, I'm impressed. It's actually very good. If you don't have compost, I think this is a good one to go for. Some people might want to know where I got this from. I actually got this propagator. I got this one from Lidl. So I think it was about $6.99. I'm really enjoying this. In as much as the last video I looked very sad and upset, uh, it was only momentary gardening process. You just have a blip of that moment, and the journey of the other things you do are more fulfilling, to be honest. Like now, I'm really enjoying doing this. It's therapeutic and at the same time it's refreshing. So there's more ups than downs. So what I just tell people, just try and enjoy the process and the health benefit as well. Look at today now, probably I would have just been indoors watching telly, doing other things. But I'm out here because the sun is shining. I'm getting as much vitamin D as possible. My hand is actually quite yummy. It doesn't look to be honest, it look better than the soil. But obviously I don't mind touching the soil. As a farmer, I have to be prepared to touch the soil. Okay. Let's going to pat it down a bit. I've got to be careful not to wet other things on the table. Yay! This is nice. I'm going to plant tomatoes in one of them. Just to make sure the seeds are covered. Then I'll give it a drink of water. This event for this one came separately, so you just have to put it with it. That's where the heat mat is fixed to it. That's what I'm trying to say. So right, here is a quick update on the seeds we saw a couple of days ago in the propagator. Right, voila! Some have germinated. As you can see from the date, I sowed these seeds on the 24th, and today is just 27th, and the rockets have germinated already, whereas the herbs mix is still, nothing is happening there. These were sown on the coconut pit, that compost thing that came with this particular propagator. So some of the seeds there were the ones that came with the propagator. So yeah, the cucumber and the zucchini. Hey guys, today we are planting a few Nigeria vegetables. This one is F4 tete. It's like a kind of a green vegetable that we use for our soup. Those are the seeds. A friend gave it to me. And this is a Ewedu. It's a popular Nigerian vegetable as well. So I'm going to plant the seed, and we have OKRO seed here. I soaked this overnight. So I've just drained the water off, so I'm going to plant all of that just now. So I'm going to start with this tiny one. This Fortete seems to be the most tiniest of the seeds, so I'm going to plant that first. Planting it on the propagator. So I'm planting the F4 and the Ewedu on one, and planting okra on the other one, because I want more. Obviously the F4 and those, they are smaller, so they tend to grow, there will be more of that, so that's why I'm planting the okra all in one. There we go. That's the Fortete. The seeds are very tiny, so I'm just going to sprinkle a few there. Just sprinkle them in each of the cells. Just as I did for the Fortete, so I'm just sprinkling some seed of the Ewedu there. That's the Ewedu. Okay. Now the okra, I'm going to try and put like 2 seeds in each of the cells. So I actually counted this before, because I know how many cells I have, so I counted the okra seeds to know that, because I was going to plant 2 on each cell. Right, I'm just going to sprinkle the compost on top of it. My bag of compost is a little bit away from here. So that's it, I'm just sprinkling the compost on top of the cells, just sparing those dishes, not over the seeds. So I'm just going to pat it down a bit to make sure that the seeds are having contact with the soil. Yeah, not pressing it down too hard, just patting it down slightly, a little bit, just to allow the soil and the seeds to have contact with each other. I'll do the same with this one. A drink of water. Just walk inside it. Right, my plants are enjoying their propagator with the heat mat. I'm really excited about this, and I hope they'll do well. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.
Tomatoes. Will they ephemeral? OKRO. Orange Queen. That's zucchini, sugar snap, pea, cucumber. The cucumber hasn't germinated yet. And that's, I don't know what was in here. I think it's getting leggy. I think I want to leave it open actually. That was rocket and next herb. Yeah, I'm going to leave it open now because it's getting a bit leggy.
Let me show you guys the okra up close. You can see it's actually started growing a leaf besides the 2 seeds leaf that germinated. That's so exciting. And the zucchini have actually started growing its first leaf as well. Let me show you guys the Ewedu up close. Those of you who recognize the Ewedu can actually see that the shape of the leaf is already showing, which is so exciting. So I'm going to try and transplant them into a more spacious pot so they can start growing properly. This is the current update on the Oregon sugar snap peas. Here is the current update on the tomatoes we planted on the Propagator, and that is the 2 different types of tomatoes, Black Premier. This one here is the Orange Queen. If you have watched this video up to this point, I'm sure you have gained something from me. What is here not to like? Please just give us a like button and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, because I'm going to be giving you more regular updates of what is going on and everything else in between. Yes, and please share with us what you're planning to sow in your garden. If it's just one herb, or if it's just whatever you're planning to do in your garden, please let us know. Yes, and share it with us in the comment section. On that note, I will say bye and see you all in my next video.